Want to start making money on YouTube, but not sure where to begin? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable monetization and how to meet YouTube's requirements, step by step and the smart way. YouTube has a system called the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. Once you join, ads will start appearing on your videos, and you earn money every time someone watches or interacts with those ads. But before you can earn, you need to meet 3 main requirements. Requirement 1. Reach 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Requirement 2. Get 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. If you're creating YouTube Shorts, you can qualify by getting 10 million Shorts views in the last 90 days instead of the 4,000 hours. Requirement 3. You must link a Google AdSense account to your channel to receive payments. Smart tips to grow faster. Upload videos consistently, like 1 to 2 times per week. Choose a trending and engaging niche like stories, tech, or facts. Use eye-catching thumbnails and titles. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Post YouTube Shorts to gain fast exposure and watch time. Making money on YouTube isn't hard. It just takes patience and consistency. Start today and let each video move you one step closer to your goal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to iDoser, because in the next video, I'll show you the best AI tools to grow your channel faster than ever.